How you doing, folks? This is Ross for Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a very nice 55 Bel Air two-door post done in a Matador red and India ivory. Gorgeous car, gorgeous, real clean, solid car. It's got a lot of the original chrome on the car. It's original front bumper. It was re-chromed at one time. Hood bird's been replaced. It's original grille and grille moldings in excellent condition. Car's real straight down the sides. So I like the darker beige on it, you know, instead of a bright white. It's got the accessory guards and the rear bumpers. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. All the panel fitment's real nice on the car. Glass is all in real good shape. Just a really, really nice car. It's got a tune port, fuel injected 350. It's got power steering, power disc brakes. It's got vintage air and heat. It's got electric wipers. It's got all the serpentine pulley system on it. It's got a 700 R4 overdrive trans. It's got 12 bolt rear. Oh, I'm sorry, this one has a Ford 9-inch rear. Gorgeous leather interior, very nicely done. It's got the I Did It tilt column. It's got Dakota digital dash. The headliner, everything looks really nice, real tight, crisp. All the jams look good. It's got rear seat belts. Trunk's all finished off, matched interior, very nicely done, very nice. Car drives and rides great, cruises right down the road. Does have a radio delete. Got your vintage air vents and everything there, real nice under the dash. It's got all up-to-date wiring. Just a really nice car. It's getting hard to find nice clean 55s. Fires right up. It's just a cool car. Get in this car and drive anywhere you want to go. Cruise it right down the freeway with the overdrive. Got a lockup converter and everything. Sounds real good out the back. Just a really cool car, guys. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.